Kits Crows.
Okay, so I'm going to work. I was given the option to take the day off between me and my coworker who came back from vacation. And I took the day only because I can get sushi since I'll be uptown, but man, I am having regrets. It's raining hard. Where's my umbrella? I did say it was smelling like rain yesterday when I got home. I just didn't expect this. It didn't rain at all yesterday, but boy, it's going now. Ooh. Oh, key. Yeah. Oh man. Let's put these keys away real quick. Umbrella, open that. Yeah. Okay, time to brave the weather. Hey, little starling. A bunch of his buddies went across the street over there. I'm gonna leave a treat here. Just because there's a bunch of them around. You hear them squeaking. There you go. I knew you were watching at least. Oh boy. I gotta get going though. They'll be back. Definitely don't see the chickens. I don't know if there's any little birds following me or not. But I'm going to leave a treat just in case because they're used to it. They could be around watching and I just don't know it. I got an umbrella I can't see. It's not very well. So they'll be waiting for whoever stops by. Hey, little bird. I left treats back there. You gonna go get it? Or should I leave another? Okay, I'll leave another. Hang on. There. Little pile. I hope they get the other pile over the chickens. Go get it. I think the rain's coming down harder than before. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to step in these puddles. Rolling down the street. You squeaking at me? I think you are. We're almost at work. I'll leave a little treat. Hang on. Okay. Oh, I stepped in a puddle. There he is. Are they coming? Oh, another puddle. Ah. we go. Just about. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm here at work, so I better get to it. Oh boy. Big puddle. Oh boy. Hang on. Oh, I'm letting it in. I am soaked. Oh, there we go. Okay, I just got off work and the rain had stopped for like an hour, but I think it's picking up again. Yeah. So, I'm gonna have to whip out the umbrella in just a sec. But I'm heading to Fred Meyer because I still want my sushi. I'm gonna brave it. I'm probably gonna go for the more expensive kind because I deserve it. I've been out in all this. Should have taken the day off. Anyway. I got me sushi. So, let's get out of here. We're done at Fred Meyer. Now I gotta head home. Maybe dry off. So I'm almost home now. I just talked to the guy who owns the brown cat and the black cat. He says the brown cat's name is Burrito and the black cat's name is Taco. I'm so happy I know their names now. Because I see them from time to time. I just call them by the color of their fur. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, now I got their names. I'm so happy. And I'm going to be even happier to get out of this rain. It's not stopping. No parking. What are they doing? Oop, puddles. Watch out for the puddles. Oop, and cars. Drips right on my roof. I hear that all night when it does rain. The magpies like that little trough there. It's supposed to prevent that big puddle from happening quite as much, but it's not really working. Okay. Where's that button? Button. And I got my sushi. I got tuna. I was in the mood for tuna. I usually get either tuna or salmon. Salmon's my favorite, but I'm feeling the tuna. So let's get in. All right, we're in for the day. So I'm home now. I gotta look out the window. I hear magpies. I think it's babies. Oh, there they are. Oh, hang on. Let me figure this out. There we go. Little magpie party. I think one of them's an adult. I see a long tail hanging down. Mama hanging out with the babies. That's what it looks like. Whoop. Oh. So cute. Wow. That's a nice little spot they got. Okay. Back out here. Fix that. Anyway, I was going to show off my sushi. I got the tuna. Yeah. well, I spent a little more, a little over $2 more, but you know what? I need a treat. I didn't expect this sort of weather, so I'm treating myself. And those magpies are really cute. Anyway, hope everyone is having a nice day. I'm gonna dry off. Bye bye.
Bye.